everyone. This is the team. My name is Mahesh Pandey. I'm Saurabh Nava.
I'm Subhas and I'm Ankit Tawari.
And we have created a vending machine. It's a finite state machine using FPGA using HDL language. Now let's go into the demo of our machine. First off, let's talk about the state. It's a finite state machine. As you can see, first of all, when our machine is started, it enters idle state. Then if a select key is pressed, select button is pressed, then it enters item select state. In this state, it waits for which item. It waits until an item is selected. Then it enters into the state that defines which item it is. In this state, the value of RAM is awarded. RAM value is the current remaining coin to be inserted for the current item. After this, it enters insert wait state. In this state, it waits until a coin is inserted. Coin may be we have allowed the user to insert 3 different type of coins. First, if the user enters coin one rupees coin, then it enters in one. Similarly, they can enter 2 rupees coin or 5 rupees coin. Next, if after a coin has been inserted, the machine will enter give change state. In this state, it will check if the amount is complete, the amount inserted has been enough to give the item or not. If not, then it will go back to next insert wait. If insert wait, else it will give the output. Now, for this schematic shows 2 modules. The vendor module controls all these state machines, and the sec vend module shows the current amount of display in current amount of money in 7-second display. Now let's go into the demo. These 2 switches allow the user to choose from an item. After an item has been selected, the user will choose and press the select button. Then the LED will show the amount of money to be inserted. Similarly, these 2 switches show the coin to be inserted. After a coin has been chosen, the user can choose select and then insert the coin. As you can see, after a 10 rupee item has been selected, the user entered a 5 rupees coin. So the remaining amount is 5 rupees. Next, if the user enters 5 rupees again, then we can see that an item is out. This machine will also allow the user to get change if more amount of money has been inserted. If the user inserts 5 rupees coin twice, then you can see that a coin, some amount has been out and 3 rupees has been returned. And the same item that has been selected has been given out. We have also inserted an avail function in this. The amount of, as we know that vending machines have limited amount of items in them. After all the items from the stock has been cleared, the machine will show that no other items are there. Next, we can see the schematic of this machine. This is the top module. Once we expand this, there are 2 separate modules. This module calculates all the state machine functions, and this module shows the display in 7-second display. Thank you, everyone.